teach you how to design graphic with Canva. If you want to design business card, posters, Instagram posts, social media, anything actually, you can design with Canva. So I'm going to just show you around. The first thing you want to do is you log into your Canva account. So I'm already logged in. As you can see, this is my handsome picture over there. And then you can just go to your design if you want to design every or any other thing. And let me show you some of the designs that I have actually designed with Canva. For example, this is a birthday post that I designed with Canva, and then this is an Instagram carousel that I designed with Canva. So you can actually do any of those things with Canva. All right. So what do you do now is, let's say that you want to design a business card. You just come to search Canva, right? So you type business card. In fact, by the time you type business, it's going to bring you some suggestions, and out of all of these suggestions, you just choose the one that you want to use. So for example, you see we have business card, we have a whole lot of design. You can even go to templates and see design templates on business card. But the one I want to design with you right now is for Instagram story. Instagram. So let's say Instagram. So if you type Instagram, it's going to bring in some suggestions. For example, we have Instagram Reels, including the sizes of it, right? And if you look at this one, we're actually browsing the templates area, and then we have different types of Instagram. So, but let's just go with Instagram story. I just want to show you how to design using Canva. Lest I forget, I want to tell you that Canva also has an app on maybe Android phone or iOS for people using Apple phones, so or iPhones. All right. So Canva has an app by which you can download. You can click on the link in the description below, and Canva will give you free. You can be able to use Canva for at least 30 days, for free. Okay, even the Canva Pro. So because I use Canva Pro, okay, but even with the free one, you can start using and start designing a whole lot of stuff, because I actually started using Canva for free, okay, before I'm not using full version. So you see we have different templates here. You can even sort the template with colors. So for example, let's say we want this color. So it's actually, it's just what happened now is that it's just refreshed. Okay, so you can search the template with anything here with the colors of your brand. Okay, so let's say that you want to design something very, very simple for your business. So let's say you want to organize a training, right? So let's click on this one. So it's opening in another tab. Let me just close this particular tab here. Okay, so let's see, this, when we click on that particular template, it just opened in another tab. If you're using your phone, just search inside your phone. I might actually create another video that has to do with just phone alone, but this is for laptop. But the same way I'm designing here is the same way you're going to design on your laptop. So let's say that you want to change this particular design. You can also come here and search for the kind of things that you want. So for example, let's say you want to change this whole template to, if you want to design something that has to do with burger, right? But this is what we want to actually use. So you see, it's actually very easy. All you need to do is just to change the stuffs that are here. So for instance, let's say I have a logo. Let me just go to logos. If you are not using Pro version, you might not be able to see your logos here, but for this one, I'm just going to choose this particular logo. This is our NGO logo, but I will use it for this particular stuff, right? So let's say your logo, and by the way, you can even create a logo with Canva. So this logo doesn't really make sense with that color combination, but let us just edit image, and I want to change the way the logo looks like. Okay, good. So let's just use this one. So I'm just doing this for practical reasons. Okay. Okay, I think you can just use this. So you can come here and let's select this stuff for white. You might not be able to use this, this feature with your own free Canva, but of course, I'm using it here. So if you want this pro version, just click on the link somewhere below this video or in the description, and then you will get Canva Pro for a certain period of days. Okay, but if you want to upload your own image, you can just come here and then click on this place, and then you can upload the logo you want to upload from your laptop, or it will just show you from your phone. Yeah, so now let's say that you want to change this picture, all these pictures that are showing, they say learn basic photography with a phone. So if you want to change this, let's say you want to say instead of a phone, you can say with your phone, right? So with your phone. I love to use that particular thing. So I can just bring this, you can even undo, right? You can undo that. So let's say that this one, want to bring it down a bit. Okay, so let's just click on enter here so that those two will come down with your phone. Yeah, so learn basic photography with your phone, and full blog post on website in link bio. So instead of that, I can say even if you don't know photography, right, before, so, or I can just say no prior experience required. So I think that's better. No prior experience required. Okay, so this is just like a subtitle, and then let's say, assuming you have a link, you can put it there, or if you don't have a link, for instance, I can just say sign up, right? So this is just an example of just a simple design that you can do with Canva, because I don't want this video to be so long. But let's say that, you see this, they gave you a template here. Let's say that you want to change the picture inside of this. Okay, just bring in a picture, right? Okay, let me just click on it. So when you click on that picture, it will just show here. So I want you to enter one of those things. So you see, just drag it. When you drag that picture, it just entered one of those. But I want you to enter this particular one, so I can as well just bring it like this. Yeah, you see. So I can also change this, right? So I can just come to pictures and then search for photos. Okay, so for example, let me search for just this. So we have some photos here, so let me just click on one of them. Okay, let's click on this. Some of these pictures, the one that you are seeing pro here, if you are using a free version, you will not be able to use them. Okay, you have to pay a certain amount of money. But if you use the link in our bio, or if you use the link in our description to sign up, Canva is going to give you a free pro version for about 30 days, and then you can just try it out, and you can cancel your subscription at any time. So I love this picture. I'm just going to post it here. So just keep moving it until you see that it has already entered that particular image. So this is it. If I double click on it, I can actually drag this picture and put it where I want it to be. So after that, you can just click on done, or you just click outside this place. So that is how to design with Canva. I hope you go and try using Canva, and then let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. But then let me quickly do this before I go. If you want to download, just click on download, and then I recommend that you download in this high quality. Okay, so you can just click on download, right? After you click on download, you can then use your photo on your maybe Instagram or whatever you want to use it, maybe your status. But for example, this is Instagram, but even though it's for Instagram, it doesn't mean that you cannot use it on your phone. So let me just download it that way, and so you can see it's downloading. So let me cancel this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open it so that you can see what we did. Okay, so this is actually the design that we created. This is the design that we created, okay, and you can see it's actually looking so beautiful. It's looking so beautiful. You can actually use this to promote whatever class you want to organize. So if you have any question regarding what we just did, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be so happy to respond to your questions. Okay. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we have a new video, you can get notified. I will keep, creating more videos. For example, I'm going to create how you can do video with Canva and so much more are still coming up. I hope you gain from this. Like I said, if you have any question, drop it in the comment, and remember to like this so that other people can benefit from this, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can keep seeing more videos when we upload it. All right.